We are in American Fork at the beach. It's really called Manila Creek Pond, but we call it the beach. Look how beautiful it is here. And last year, that wasn't there, that wasn't there, that wasn't there, that wasn't there. All those houses are brand new. I saw them like leveling it and like making different lots, but in a year, there's like over a dozen new houses. That is crazy pants.
Look what we found. Lobster. Crawfish.
The crawfish, but that's okay. No.
It's dead. No, it's
Look at this. Snail's trying to get out. Have you guys caught anything yet?
Yeah, we caught 4.
4? Oh, mama. Okay, I got to get down this hill. Oh my gosh.
And 2
Ugh.
predators.
Really?
Yeah.
Ew, gross. This is what they were collecting this morning in my yard. You could take as many of those as you want. Disgusting. Oh my goodness, those are
That
little.
one's pregnant and that one's pregnant.
Oh my gosh.
Corbin's got all
Wow.
Corbin's caught all of them.
Corbin, that's rad.
That's my second.
It's because he has like his fly is like that big.
Dude, they're
And ours
set
is
up
all
for
big.
trout right now. My
All right,
dad set up
Gav.
for trout.
Oh my gosh, look how cute the mama duck is with all her little ducklings.
Mom, follow me. There's
Oh
there's
my
like a thing of
gosh.
ink.
So beautiful. It's a perfect day. It's like, I don't know, 78. But we love this because it has a huge bathroom, has a place to cut up the fish and clean them and all that. But I love that it has sand, has grass, has shade, easy parking. We bring the paddle board, sand toys. It's so fun. But look how pretty. I mean, how lucky are these houses? Well, I guess those new ones too. They're like, just going over to the pond, Mom. This is where Gavin would be all the time if we lived closer. Oh my gosh. That's crazy.
Imagine one just hatches.
Oh, I
think
would
it's that
love
mama.
that. No, it can't be that mama. She just had those babies.
Oh, she could.
Wow.
It could be that mom.
Yeah, let's not get anywhere near this when the ducks come back. Look at all these ducklings. Oh my gosh.
No, let's take one and give it to our ducks.
When we got our ducks, they were smaller than that.
Yeah.
Cute.
Now we have like 5. Oh, one has a baby. You got a slice of bread. Oh,
Yes.
pregnant one. Pregnant.
Oh my gosh, there's so many more now.
There's a pregnant one.
Hold and catch.
Oh, I got 2 more.
Oh my gosh!
Hold it, hold it. Come on. Come over here, Corbin.
Don't they need to be much bigger? I mean, you guys they're tiny.
Corbin,
Oh my gosh.
they're freaking. Look at them. No, I just want. I don't know what to do.
Oh my gosh. You got
Got
2
2
more.
more.
Oh my gosh.
Throw them in. Watch out, there's spikes.
Shoot, we're gonna do this rock. Oh well, it's okay for me.
I got a little baby one.
Oh, you did?
I'm gonna let him go.
Grab it, Corbin.
So what are you building, Nathan? Little path for the water? What are you building, I said?
I'm just gonna dig this hole deeper.
Nice. Look at this, what they got going on over here. Robbie! Okay, the boys moved closer to us, which is nice, but now look how many they have. And then look at these ones. Did you catch these or did your brother? Oh, he's a good little fisherman. Gavin's like totally. Silly kid. So they're on this side of the beach now, which I like because then they're closer to me. Look how beautiful. I love it. And then there's snow. Whoa. It's a bigger one. Whoa, you did too.
Here, Brigham, I need to go get a tool.
Okay, you need to put that back in the water, right?
in the water.
Yeah, keep it in the water.
Swallowed it. Okay. Hurry. Gavin, is your car along?
My gosh.
We need these.
The hook went deep in his throat. Ooh, ooh, gives me the chills. I don't like that. Poor guy.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, look how many are dead. Gross. That's crazy. Hold up that gold one, babe. Oh my gosh.
He's talking.
Give me the credit.
That is, that's awesome. Oh my gosh, those are not dead at all. They keep tricking you. Look, they're moving around.
Don't start doing goldfish.
Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that awesome unicorn out there. Crazy. They caught another goldfish. Looks like a Garibaldi. That's what it looks like to me.
And Mom, he's about to catch another goldfish.
Oh my gosh.
He's about to.
Mom, I caught 2 goldfish.
Awesome. Oh goodness. Oh gosh. Robbie, come back. Come back. Oh, ew. Ew.
Which one's yours?
So you're filleting it, huh?
Oh, I'm gutting it right now.
You gotta gut it first, then fillet it, huh?
Can we keep this fish?
No.
Anyone? Fine.
I don't want to keep any of these fish. What happened to the goldfish?
Let him go.
Oh, that is just, oh gosh, it's so gross.
Okay, we're gonna play this fish.
No, it's terrible.
Oh, I'm gutting.
Playing the baby fish. This is not
Sharp at all. Mom's for stealing. No, this thing.
Oh, I don't like watching this.
This smell is so bad.
Preston, put it back in your bag.
Why? We're not gonna keep it.
What are you singing? I've never even heard this song. How do you know this, Robbie?
Because it's from the song.
It's from this song. All right, sing it, baby.
Can we go in the hot tub and play?
Yeah. Oh, not that. That's going to make it dirty. Not that, Chandler. Nice, Jack.
No, I do it.
No, Chandler.
Bobby, don't put it in there. No.
No, I make it too dirty.
That means I have to get all washed off. Ah!
You need to slide on your knees, silly goose.
No, on my tongue, on my knees, on my feet. Oh, on my back, so on my I'm putting I did it.
And that's food coloring, not blood. No more, Jack? All right, here goes another one.
I'm taking a bath.
Come on, Chan, let's see it, buddy.
Mom, I'm taking a bath in here. I'm taking a bath.
All right, Jack, your turn.
Oh, that is good. Back.
Yeah, Jack. Okay.
And then stand by it.
Woo!
Tara, stop it.
That's okay, we can let some water out.
Yeah, because it's too full.
Got a little Brigham legs. I've never thought Brigham was little. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Get it, Brigham!
Go down. Just go down. Go down. Go down. Set the ball. No, go.
Oh, mama, it's so cold out here. His game's just ended. And like, it ended and I like ran to the car because it's so cold. Oh, yesterday was the first day of winter. What the heck? I got a long sleeve shirt, a sweatshirt, pants, and I was sitting there like shivering. But he did good. He won 2 out of the 3 games. That's what I like about rugby. It's like boom, boom, boom. Like he had one little break and so it's, gosh, what time is it? I don't know. Oh, it's 10:30. So his first game was at 8:30 and we're done. Like, now we have the rest of the day, but you know what? Seriously, I just want to go home and take a nap. I'm so tired. Ah! Usually Brigham jogs. One of his summer thing, well, all the kids' summer thing is to work out or run. And Brigham's is also walk the dog. So he combines the two, but right now it looks like he's trying to rollerblade. I'm not sure how successful this is gonna be. Oh, cute, they're coming back so I can see them. Oh, cute, Winston! Just don't go too fast. I don't want him to take off a different direction and him get hurt or you get hurt. Winston! Hi, Buffy!
He's just pulling me. I'm not even doing it. I'm just standing.
Well, he is like a horse.
There's a lot of horses.